Do subscribe to MJTube and hit on bell icon for latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back again. In this video, we will learn how to apply amazing theme for iPhones. You don't need to use any third-party app. There is a built-in option available in iPhone. So right now, I'm using iPhone 6s Plus. So let's see how to do this. Very simple. Just open the setting, tap on the setting, and then tap on Journal. Okay, good. And tap on Accessibility. Okay, and then tap on Display Accommodations. Okay, now tap on Invert Colors. So first we will check Smart Invert, and it will convert your theme to dark mode, as you can see here, like your setting, your inbuilt apps and everything. Yeah, it's looking nice. Okay, yeah, nice. But my favorite is classic. Let's see how its classic look like. So go to Journal, Accessibility, Accommodation, Display Routine, Invert Colors, and this time I will choose Classic Invert. And this will totally change your iPhone look, as you can see here. The color of your icons, the shape of your icon is totally changed, and your setting look amazing. Yeah, as you can see here, your app look dark mode. Yeah, so I like the classic invert. Yeah, it's looking very nice, especially your home screen and themes. Yeah, so it's up to you which one you want to use. You can use easily. These are built-in option in iPhone. So if you want to get back in normal mode, just go to Accessibility and Display Accommodation and turn off the colors like this. So thanks for watching guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.